Hello everyone, my name is Sarita and welcome to my channel. Today I filmed... Hey guys, my name is Sarita, welcome to my channel. Today on my channel we'll be doing this look here. I like to think of it as a galactic alien, but also normal. You can wear it to go to the grocery store type look. Right here. If you're interested to see how I got this look, then please just keep on watching. Okay, so I've already gone ahead and laid my base and primed my eyes, so we're ready for eyeshadow. The first color I'll be going in with today is by Colourpop. It's one of their single eyeshadows and it's called Wait For It. Looks just like this. And I'm just going to take that on a Sigma E40 brush and put that right into my crease. Okay, once that's nice and blended out to your satisfaction, we're going to go in with our next shade, and it's also by Colourpop, and it's called Making Moves. It's just like this. It's just a slightly deeper pink, and that's the next crease color that we're going to use. And we're going to go in with that same brush. Just a little bit lower than where we applied the first color. And this is going to help you create that gradient effect. Next, we're going to go in with yet another shadow by Colourpop, and it's called Going Steady, and it's like a purpley shade, and we're going to take that and put that directly into the crease using a MAC 217 brush. Now I'm going to focus that right here in the middle of the crease. And kind of just figuring out where I want to place it first. And then turning my brush to the side and blending it out. We're also putting that shade on the outer corner and the inner corner, since today's look is a spotlight eye. Once that's nice and blended out, I'm just going back in with my E40 brush and that shade Making Moves and just blending right where the two shades meet to make sure that there's no harsh lines and everything blends smoothly into each other. Next, we're going to go into our last purple shade, and it's the deepest purple we're going to use. And I believe this is also a Colourpop shadow, and it's in the color Rosewood. I'm going to go in with just a small fine detail brush. Unfortunately, I don't know the name of this brush because it's been rubbed off, but it's kind of just a bullet brush, but just a little bit fluffier. So I'm going to dip right into that shadow and just focus it right here on the inner and outer corners. Next, we're going to cut just the middle of our lid to give that spotlight effect. So today I'm going to be using my Shape Tape Concealer by Tarte and just a very small little teensy weensy concealer brush. I don't know if you guys can see that. You just want to be very patient when you do this. And then I'm just going to bring, oh, that's a lot. And I learned this trick from watching Nikki tutorials literally forever. And I'm kind of going to do it like a little. So now that we've gone and cut our lid, I went ahead and just took that small detail brush and dipped a little bit back into that first purple shade that we used and just kind of diffuse the edges just a little bit, which we'll be doing this again, but I just felt like doing it right now. And I kind of just made these little areas look like little tornadoes. In the middle, I'm going to be using this loose pigment that I got in my Boxy Charm by Bellapierre Cosmetics, and it's in the shade Lust. And it's a really pretty, oh, don't get it everywhere, Sarita, purpley shade like this. Shimmer. So taking that shimmer powder, or that loose pigment, just going to pick up a little bit on a small shader brush and put that right in the middle where we concealed. Just being very careful where I place that. I think that looks pretty darn good if you ask me. Then I'm going to take the Cover FX Shimmer Veil in the shade Amethyst that I received also in my Boxy Charm and just kind of put that over top of that middle area. Just to give it a little extra sparkle. Because your girl is trying to shine bright like a diamond. I'm just going to pat it in a little bit with my finger to make sure it's nice and evenly distributed. Next, I'm just going to take a white eyeliner and carve out that one little spot right up at the top of the crease where there's nothing, to kind of give it more of like a wet 3D effect. I've been seeing it going around on Instagram and I just want to try it out. Just so you guys know, right this second, I have no fucking clue what I'm doing. But I guess that's the look we're going for. So what I'm doing is I'm just taking this Morphe M252 brush. It's just like a little skinny, itchy brush like this, and some white eyeliner that I had rubbed off on the back of my hand to warm up. And then I'm just going over that area very, very lightly and trying to be as precise as I possibly can. For the lower lash line, I'm going to go ahead and go in with this UrbanDecay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil, and it's in the shade Voodoo. It looks like these. And I'm going to go in my waterline with that. It's so pretty. It's like a metallic-y purple shade. I'm going to smoke out the bottom lash line, starting with that shade Makin Moves from Colourpop. It's the darkest pink shade that we used. and just kind of go with that small same detailer brush and just kind of blend that purple eyeliner out just a little bit. For mascara, I'm going to be going in with Lights Camera Lashes by Tarte. I'm probably making all types of crazy faces right now. You know, it just makes mascara work better. I'm all about bottom lashes, like just so important to me. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and pop on some lashes real quick and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I went ahead and applied some lashes, blush, and bronzer off camera. So now for highlight, I'm gonna go in with the Naked Cosmetics Holographic Highlighter Collection palettes that I received in my boxy charm. And I think that I'm going to go in with this pinky shade right here with a Sigma High Cheekbone Highlighter brush, or a F03 brush, in other words. So I'm just going to dip into that shade, tap off the excess, and aim right here at the top of my cheekbone. And just really light motions go back and forth. With that same shade, I went ahead and highlighted my inner corner and my brow bone, and also my nose too. So for lips, I'm going to go in with the Maybelline SuperStay Matte Ink in the shade Seductress. It looks just like this. It's like a mauve pink. No lip liner because I'm lazy. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, groove. Baby girl, watch how you move. Oh, I've been trying to figure out the words to that part and just kind of mumbling, and then it just all of a sudden popped right into my little noggin. For gloss, we're going to be using a Smashbox Be Legendary Liquid Pigment in the shade Bad Bee. And we're just going to go in with that just right in the middle, and people won't stop texting me. Maybe it's just like a satiny gloss. I don't know. I just let my mouth run and say whatever it wants like 80% of the time, so just prepare yourself for that. I am feeling myself right now. Okay, and to finish this look, we're going to go in with our Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1 Replenishing Primer and Setting Spray. And we're just going to, you know, douse it up, girl. Because you need this skin to look like skin, not like a pressed powder. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll list all the products that I used down below in the description box. Don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave, and thanks for watching.